Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Andreca. If you're not new here, if you're a subscriber, welcome back and thank you for coming kick it with me again today. In today's video, we will be using Melanin Haircare to do a flexi rod set. Will this turn out bomb or nah? We shall see. So under here is the flexi rod set. So just stay tuned to see how this look turned out. But before you do anything else, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything, so you'll see every video that comes up once I upload it. It really does help my channel out, so I appreciate you subscribing on today. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Hi everyone. As you can see, I've already did this side of my hair and I am about to start on this side. This is the Twist Elongating Style Cream and the leave-in conditioner. I'm going to be using both of these to do my flexi rod set, and I am just curious to see how this look is going to turn out. Yeah, so I'm just going to start right in with this side. And I did my normal wash routine. So I washed my hair, I did my pre-poo. Then I washed that out with some shampoo. Then I did a deep conditioner. Let that sit in my hair for about an hour. And then I washed that out. Now I'm styling, and I'm just going to take one pump of the leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to saturate this hair with that leave-in conditioner, and I'm really just putting it to the test. I'm trying to see, I want to see how this look is going to turn out. Is it going to give me the definition that I'm looking for? Is it gonna make my curls cute and pretty like I'm looking for it to do? Okay, so splitting that in half. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of the Twist Elongating Style Cream. So that's what I'm adding to my hair right now. And I'm just making sure it's in my hair from root to tip. I'm gonna take my tangle teaser and just get out any of the last little kinks that might be in my hair. Combing that out. I'm gonna take a flexi rod and just apply. Now as I'm going up, I'm kind of twisting underneath like a circle, like kind of like doing it like going down and around, and I'm just twisting it up as tightly as I can, and I'm folding it down. There. And I'm just going to repeat the process. I've already added some leave-in conditioner. Now I'm adding the Twist Elongating Style Cream, as you can see. I'm going to comb that through a little bit, get out the last little kinks, and now the flexi rod. And I'm just twisting it around like so. And I'm just tightly tightening it up as tightly as I can, and I'm folding it down at the top, folding it up at the bottom. And that's the routine that I'm doing. So that's the method. I'm not sure if it has a proper name or whatnot, but that's what I'm doing. And I'm just gonna keep it going. y'all, so I'm back. My hair is finished, well, so to speak, on both sides. I have flexi rods in on both sides. So next I'm going to sit under the hair dryer for about an hour or so. Then I'm going to wrap my hair up and try to sleep with these in. It's going to be uncomfortable, but yeah, that's what I'm getting ready to do right now. And I will be back tomorrow to take the flexi rods out, and we will see how this hair turned out. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. My makeup is done. You know, I'm looking pretty cute, if I say so myself. I'm looking good. Now let's see how this hair turned out. So I actually ended up staying under the dryer a while. Then I slept with the flexi rods in. Woke up, my hair was still damp. So I had to sit under the hair dryer again, and I went ahead and took the flexi rods out. So this is how my curls are looking. Talk about shrinkage, huh? Talk about shrinkage. Alrighty, y'all, so I'm just gonna start unraveling, and we'll see how this look turns out. Again, will this look bomb or nah? Will this turn out bomb or nah? But it's looking pretty defined so far, so you know what? We shall see. So I'm just gonna pull this out one little piece at a time, and I'm really trying not to create any additional frizz, which is pretty hard to do when you have natural hair and you're detangling, or not detangling, but when you're unraveling curls in general. You can create frizz, but I'm like just gonna try to unravel it bit by bit, and I'm taking my time because I really don't want to have any extra frizz. If I can avoid frizz, that's what I'll do, because with this one you can kind of see that it's just a given, like it's just frizz right there. But I'm still gonna do my best to unravel it slowly but surely, as to not create any additional frizz. Y'all, look at how this is looking, y'all. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I'm really excited, y'all. Alright, y'all, so this is how my hair is looking. Y'all, I have to say, this is probably the best my flexi rod set has ever turned out on my natural hair. Like, y'all, look at this definition. Like, I'm gonna come closer again. Look at the definition. Like, wow. Look at that. Now, that's definitely a pro, like the fact that my hair is so defined. You know, I kind of expected it a smidget when I did my flat twist style using the twist elongating style cream. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it up in the cards up above, and I will also put it in the description box, and you can see how my hair turned out when I used the Melanin Haircare twist elongating style cream as a flat for my flat twist out. Go check that video out. So I kind of had my hopes up a little bit. I'm loving the way this hair turned out, y'all. This actually might become my go-to look. It just took a long time for my hair to dry, so that was the other thing that I wasn't really excited about. Yeah, so I guess you can call that a con. It took a little bit of time for my hair to dry because the elongating style cream is pretty thick, so maybe that's partially why. Another con is I see it a little bit flaky. It's a little bit like, you know, see, there's flakes when I was unraveling the twist. There's a little bit of flakes after my hair dried, so You know, that's a little bit of a con, but it's worth the sacrifice, considering how this look came out. So is it bomb or nah? I would say yes, this look came out bomb. If I had a bomb, it would explode right now. No, but seriously, I really love the way this look came out. So if you're considering doing a flexi rod set, I would recommend using the Melanin Haircare Twist Elongating Style Cream. And baby, these results will be like literally like iconic. This is for real the best my flexi rod set has ever come out. Like, I'm just like, so in the comment section, please let me know your thoughts. Do you like the way this look came out? Have you tried Melanin Haircare products yet? Have you actually used Melanin Haircare Twist Elongating Style Cream, you know, for a flexi rod set? Just let me know in the comments. Let's chat. But that's all I have for you today. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.